Do you ever feel like you're walking a tightrope between work and life? Don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, you're far, far from it. Achieving a healthy work-life balance requires iron will and dedication to a set of rules that may seem easy to follow until life gets on the way, that is, and it always does. Today, we bring you 5 quick tips that are easy to remember so you can stay on track for a good work-life balance. Rule number 1. Set boundaries. It's essential to establish clear boundaries between your work life and personal life. This means having dedicated times for work and leisure. For example, try to avoid checking work emails after hours or scheduling personal activities during work. By setting boundaries, you'll be able to focus on what's important during each part of your day, be it work or be it something else. Rule number 2. Prioritize self-care. There's no excuse to not taking care of yourself, even when you're swamped with work. This includes getting enough sleep, eating well, and exercising regularly. Don't forget to take breaks throughout the day to recharge. Treat yourself to a 10-minute walk outside, chat with a friend, or pet your dog. Whatever cheers you up. These small acts of self-care can make a huge difference in your overall well-being. Rule number 3. Learn to say no. It's easy to get caught up in the habit of saying yes to everything, but doing so will often lead to burnout. If you're already juggling multiple projects, it's okay to say no to additional tasks or commitments. Remember, setting limits can help you maintain a healthy work-life balance, and sometimes saying no is the most positive thing to do. Rule number 4. Schedule quality time. No job is more important than your loved ones or even yourself. Plan regular outings with friends or family and schedule your hobbies or personal interests into your week. By keeping an organized schedule, you'll be more likely to follow through and maintain a healthy balance between work and personal life. Rule number 5. Ask for help. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't be afraid to ask for help from friends, family, or even colleagues. It's not a sign of weakness. Instead, it shows that you're self-aware and proactive about managing your work-life balance. Finding stability in your personal life will also help you in your work life. And the same goes the other way around. And that's our 3-minute guide to a healthy work-life balance. If you want to learn more tips, check our blog where we publish articles almost every day at smowltech.net. At Smowltech, we develop a proctoring solution, Smowl, that uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to help businesses and educational institutions guarantee integrity on their digital and online assessments. We hope this video helped you gain insight into developing a healthy work-life balance. If you liked it, please give us a like and share the video. See you in the next one.